How to Apply for Student Finance European Union Ultimate Guide for 2024. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for Student Finance EU. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for EU students. You typically need to be an European Union national or have settled or pre-settled status, be studying in an EU country or an eligible UK course post-Brexit. Most residency requirements, usually 5 years in an EU country before the course. Step 2. Choose your finance type. Determine what type of student finance you need. Tuition-free loans, cover your course fees. Maintenance loans or grants, helps with living costs. Scholarships or bursaries. Check if there are additional EU or local grants. Step 3. Gather required documents. Have these documents ready. Proof of identity, passport or national ID, proof of residency, utility bills, tenancy agreements or official letters, university offer, confirmation of your place from your chosen institution, financial details, tax documents or income information if applying for means-tested support. Step 4. Create an online account. Visit the website of the relevant student finance authority for your country. Example, Student Finance England for UK-based EU students or local EU country portals. Sign up for an account using your email and personal details. Step 5. Fill in your application. Log into your student finance account and enter your personal and educational details. Specify the type of support you are applying for. Tuition fees, maintenance loans. Provide bank account details where your loan or grant will be paid. And before you proceed, in order for you to successfully file your application, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Submit supporting documents. Upload or send any necessary documents, passport, proof of residency, etc. Some countries might require hard copies, so check the instructions. Step 7. Review and submit application. Double-check all information to ensure accuracy. Submit your application online and note the reference number for future use. Step 8. Track your application. Monitor your student finance application through the online portal. You will receive updates about the status, any additional documents required, and the decision. Step 9. Accept and sign loan agreement. Once approved, you will need to sign a loan agreement, electronically or by post. This is a crucial step to ensure the funds are disbursed on time. Step 10. Receive funds. After completing all steps, you will receive your finance according to your chosen disbursement schedule. Example, termly payments. Helpful tips. Apply early. Submit your application well before the academic year begins to avoid delays. Keep copies. Save copies of your documents and communication with the finance authority. Renew annually. You will need to reapply for funding every year if your course is multi-year. That's it. You have just taken your first step toward securing your future with student finance in the EU. Remember, the journey to achieving your dreams might feel long, but every great adventure starts with a single step, and you have just made it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more uplifting content, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out. Let us build a brighter future together. As you move forward, always keep this in mind. The magic of your dreams lies in the courage to pursue them. So believe in yourself and the universe will align in your favor. Keep reaching for the stars and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep chasing your magic.